what's up? Mark Augustine here, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. And my guess and hope is you're here because you want to learn how to make money online, and it's all going to be free. So who am I? I've been selling online for about 10 years. I've sold over $20 million on 4 different platforms: eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Walmart. I actually had a Shopify store for a while. And in this video, we're going to cover 3 things. 1, if you want to make money online, what's the biggest secret to making money online? 2, the actual fastest way to make money online now. And 3, the easiest way to make money online now. Because it's 3 different things. But before I get into that, for those of you guys who've been following me for a while, I've been moving around. So let me explain where I am. So I lived in Managua, Nicaragua for the past 5 years. And I grew up in Trinidad and Tobago. And I spent some time in the US, about 10 years. And I was living in a city for 5 years, and with coronavirus and all this stuff, it got a bit stressful. So I spent the past 2 or 3 weeks driving around, staying in hotels, hostels, trying to figure out what to do, where to stay. I went to my farm in Ometepe, I went to some waterfront in Ometepe, and now I'm in Popoyo. And I think I found my medium stay home, because my son still goes to private school in Managua, and we have to figure out a way he's going to go to school here. But, so here's where I'm going to be recording from. So anyway, like the video, subscribe to the channel, look in the description for all the free stuff. I'll get into what I want to get into in a second. Also, I interviewed some guys at a hostel last night, and it got kind of crazy. So I'll put a clip right here just to see a part of it. It was actually crazy. Two beautiful young people from the United States of America. Alright, so I'm back. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. Who are you guys?
Woo! Jesus, take it away.
Jesus, come on, dude.
My name is Dylan, and I am not Jesus.
Where are you from, Dylan?
I'm from North Carolina, represent Dirty South.
I'm from South Carolina.
Oh,
Tell this is our first time meeting, but I am
Real world.
in beautiful Guadalajara. We're representing from the Carolinas, baby. It's catfish season. We're getting it.
Catfish season. Alright, so I'm back. I hope you guys saw that craziness that I recorded last night. It was nuts. Anyway, so let's go. The fastest way to make money online now. If you're based in the United States of America and you have Facebook, honestly, with no money down, you can't really make money the way you can make dropshipping on Facebook if you're based in the US. You can literally just start, like, do product research. If you have the shipping option, sell some stuff and make money. That's the fastest. It doesn't require any upfront. You could watch my channel for product research, but product research is basic. You're looking at eBay, looking for items that are brand new to sell, and you're selling the same thing on Facebook. I have a free course in the description about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Go get it. I might actually publish the course here on YouTube. I might actually do that. I might publish it here on YouTube publicly. So you don't have to do the free course, all that stuff. And then, yeah, so the fastest way is Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, you're on Marketplace, you're based in the US, you have Facebook for about 2 years, start listing stuff, you can make some money fast. Like, in a week, in 2 or 3 days. If you're at home and you don't know what to do, that's what you need to do. The easiest way to make money online is with Walmart automation. But there's no easy money, dude. So I want to break down this Walmart automation thing because I realize that a lot of people have some misconceptions. So simply put, Walmart automation or any automation, is built by people in the first world paying for people in cheaper countries to run an actual business. A business requires systems and there's no shortcut. So although there are some automation businesses that work and some of my guys still manage accounts, it's not something I would suggest to do long term. I suggest you manage your own business. Like we still manage like 20 or 30 of them, but it's not something that I would want to run at scale. So the second one, remember I said the fastest, Facebook dropshipping. The easiest is Walmart automation, but it's going to cost you a lot of money. It's high risk. Remember, it's easy because you're not going to do dick. But it's high risk because it costs a lot of money and it's actual humans running a business for you. So don't ignore that. Now, third, I want to get down to the biggest secret or the biggest mistake or the biggest error or fault that people have when they want to make money. In order to make money, you need to want to make money. I spent the past 3 days with these young men from the United States of America, and they are very ambitious individuals. And I've also spent a lot of time with some people from all over the world who say they want to make money. Like, I literally had a conversation yesterday with these 3 young people from 3 different countries, and all 3 of them were like, yeah, we're all about money, let's get to work, blah, blah, blah. And as soon as I said, okay, let's go, they're like, nah, I'm tired. The biggest secret to want to make money, to making money online, is to want to make money. Be willing to sacrifice your time, your effort, your confusion, your fear, in order to make money. And that would kind of change your life. So the 3 things that we covered: the fastest way to make money online, Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping. There's a link to FBM Fox and a free trial in the description with a discount code MARK10. Check that out. The easiest way to make money online right now is through automation, but it's high risk. It's going to cost a lot of money, and there are a couple companies I see do okay, but all those companies that claim that they have hundreds of accounts, that's stupid. That's not realistic. Even if they have the accounts, they maybe have 20% success. So that's the easiest. And the best way, or the biggest secret to making money online, is to want to make money. To want to win, lose, draw, go for the money. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. We plan to have Grind Camp soon. Grind Camp is going to be a week. I looked at some locations today. So I'll do some drone footage tonight and share with you guys tomorrow or the day after where Grind Camp is. What Grind Camp this year is going to be, it's going to cost $1,500. You get a week stay in a beachfront property with maybe like between 5 and 10 people, so it's $1,500 each. But I'll show you guys the house in the pictures tomorrow. So have a good one, guys. Like, subscribe, let me know in the comment section how I can help you. Peace.